Let's see how you can place an image inside of a shape in Canva. This creative technique lets you add a unique twist to your design by cropping your image into a shape. Firstly, let's select the design. For the sake, let's choose poster. And next, we need to go to the Elements tab here on the left-hand side and select a frame. In this case, let's select this square frame. After we've selected the frame that we want to use, all we need to do is look for any image we want to put in this frame, whether it be elements or in uploads. So in this case, let's go to elements. I want to add an image of a fish inside this square. So let's search any picture of a fish. Let's go to photos, see all. After that, all I need to do is drag this photo of a fish here onto the shape. As you can see, it automatically goes into the shape. If you want to adjust the crop of the image in the shape, all we need to do is go to the top hand toolbar and select crop. We can do this to zoom. We can also change its position by dragging it into the middle of the frame. Once you're satisfied with our design, all we need to do is download and save our design. That's it. That's how you place an image inside of a shape in Canva. See you soon.